Hey guys, what's up? So today I just want to show you how to update VirtualBox. Let's make it quick. Once you open VirtualBox, let's go to File. Just click on Check for Updates. And as you can see here on my right, it says New Version Found. Let's click on it. And now, just click here where it says Download VirtualBox. Just make sure you remember the folder, just in case you forget, just save. And once it's saved, just open File Explorer, go to the Downloads folder or the folder where you download, and let's double click. If you have a prompt saying, are you sure you wanna open this file, just click yes. And then once you have the setup window, just click next. I accept the terms in the license agreement. Feel free to read it. Just click next. Yeah, it's all good. It's gonna reset your network connection. It's all good. Just click yes. Click yes. Yeah, all good. So let's click install. And as you can see here, it might take a few minutes. It's all good from my end. And as you can see here, I have an error. Why? Because I need to close VirtualBox. Okay, I have the app open as you can see here. So I just want to close it. So I close the app. Let's retry. Now it's removing the old files, setting up the new one. Installation is complete. Just click finish. And VirtualBox is gonna open. So you wanna check the version, just go help about VirtualBox. And we have the new version.